Hello everyone, this is Dr. Marrero from Math Topics. Welcome to our video today. We continue with the SAT prep videos. This time I will be going over another domain of the SAT prep math. I know the test is coming next month in March, and I would like to cover some of the domains. If you missed the previous videos, the domain was algebra. And I have a video about a hard question in the test and a video about a medium level of difficulty question. Today, we're going to cover another domain, geometry, trigonometry. And also, the level will be medium. So let's start now. Look at the question. In the x and y plane, a circle with radius 5 has center located at -8, 6. Which of the following is an equation of the circle? If you don't know the equation of the circle, you cannot answer the question. But if you know the equation of the circle, you can answer these questions in seconds. How? Okay, just to refresh your memory. What is the equation of the circle? Okay, the equation of the circle is x minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2 equals r to the second power. H, comma, k represents the center of the circle. Okay. Just the center of the circle. And r represents the radius of the circle. So we have here the two elements. We have the radius 5 and the center -8, 6. So the equation will be x minus -8. Keep that in mind. We have a minus from the formula and a minus from the x. That minus and minus becomes in positive 8 to the power of 2 plus y minus 6. No, we don't have any problem here. Y minus 6 because k is 6. H is -8. And the radius to the second power is no more than 5 to the power of 2, which is 25. Immediately you find here your answers on the multiple choices. X plus 8, y minus 6, I forget the power of 2 here, to the power of 2 equals 25. The answer is B. Cannot be D because it's radius to the second power. And they usually do that in the SAT. Personal experience. My son was taking the test years ago, and he said, the equation of the circle was there. Yeah, how do you write it? And he wrote it, unfortunately, with the radius, not to the second power. So don't forget that by experience. They're going to put that choice to mislead you, to make sure that you know perfectly the equation of the circle. Very nice, eh? It's median because you need to know one equation or one formula for the circle. Another median question, but this time the domain is trigonometry. In the x and y plane, you can see it there, points P, Q, R, and T lie on the circle with center O. Nice. The degree measures of angle POQ. So let's label this POQ. So I'm talking about this angle here. Is an ROT, this angle here. Both are 30 degrees and 30 degrees here. What is the radian measure of the angle Q? Let me use a different color. QOR. So they're asking for the measurement of that angle, but in radians. It's easy if the angle is degrees because you know that the semicircle is 180. So we have 180 here, degrees, which is half of the circle. And we subtract from there 30, and we subtract from there 30. And that will generate our angle QOR, but in degrees. So we use a calculator right here, very easy. And I'm going to subtract 180 minus 30, which is minus 60. And the angle is 120. So I know that the angle here is 120. This angle, the angle QOR, that angle there is 120 degrees. But they want radians. They want radians. So we have to convert 120 into radians. And this is what makes the question medium difficult. So remember the proportion here. We have a proportion here. 180 degrees is equivalent to pi. Okay? 120 degrees, I don't know, in radians, how much is that? And I have that proportion. And this is using proportions to solve the conversion between radians to degrees and degrees to radians. So cross multiplication, x is equal 120 times pi, okay, divided by 180. So let me do it here in blue, 120 pi divided by 180. That will be the x. That will be the radians. So you can divide by 10, and you have 12 pi over 18 equals x, if you want to do it that way. And then you can see that the both numbers are divisible by 6. So if you divide 12 by 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. X is 2 pi over 3. 2 over 3 pi. So the answer is right here, 2 over 3 pi. There is another approach that you can do this, the 120, using the unit circle, okay? But remember, I'm trying to target the concepts, the ideas, the definitions, and the procedures that help the students that will be taking the test soon in March, for example, 2024. So the elements here are trigonometry, degrees, and the answers in radians. But remember that we have a powerful tool that we can use, proportions. Keep in mind that 180 degrees is equal pi. And then you can create your proportion and you can simplify. So the answer is 2 over 3 pi. Very nice, Hope that you like the video. The medium questions about geometry and trigonometry, circles and radians and degrees. And give us a like and share that with the students that are going to take the test this year, seniors or juniors, or anyone that wants to refresh ideas of mathematics. Thank you to my viewers and my new subscribers. I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.